In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage member roles and permissions in a Dropbox team account. We'll cover both the admin roles and the content sharing permissions for regular team members to ensure smooth collaboration and security across your organization. To begin managing admin roles, you'll first want to sign in at Dropbox.com using an account that has administrative access. Once you've logged in, look to the left sidebar and click on Admin Console. This is your control center for managing all things related to team accounts. With the Admin Console open, navigate to the Members section in the sidebar list. This is where you can see all members of your team and manage their roles within your Dropbox team account. Now, if you need to change the role of a user, or assign a new role, you'll first need to locate the specific user in question. Once you find them, you'll notice a More option, or the three-dot menu next to their name. Click on this, and you'll see options like Change Role or Make Admin, depending on whether you're promoting them to an admin or adjusting their current permissions in some way. A pop-up window will appear, offering you various admin role levels. It's essential to select one that fits the responsibilities you're looking to delegate. Different plans support multiple types of admin roles, especially on advanced business plans. So, what are these roles and what's the difference between them? When you're on advanced or business plans, Dropbox provides several admin roles, each with its unique set of permissions. It's not just about someone having full admin rights. For instance, the team admin role grants a user full global rights, providing them comprehensive access across the account. On the other hand, a user management admin can only manage members and groups, not overarching team settings. Then there's a content admin, who has privileges centered around managing content and permissions, ensuring that the right people have access to the right files. There are other roles too, like security admin, each crafted with specific permissions to help define the scope of authority and ensure a well-organized and secure team environment. Overall, understanding these roles is key to leveraging Dropbox's full potential for team collaboration while maintaining the necessary control and security. By assigning clear and specific roles, you help your team work more efficiently and securely, placing the right level of access into competent hands. So, whether you're assigning new roles or adjusting current ones, this level of role customization is invaluable for maintaining an efficient and secure file-sharing environment within your team. Through careful management, you ensure that everyone has just the right level of access they need to perform their duties effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you understand more about managing roles and permissions on Dropbox.